You just witnessed the start of the 4x100 meters bifins relay for girls junior E category. Doing battle are Maharashtra in lane 2, West Bengal in 3, Tamil Nadu in 4 and Karnataka in 5. After the first leg, it's lane 4, trying to hold back the challenge of lane 5. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka in a battle for supremacy. Tamil Nadu leads Karnataka. Third is West Bengal from lane 3 and Maharashtra bring up the rear in lane number 2. But still early days, we've seen how fortunes fluctuate in the earlier relay. Watch Karnataka now, getting even with Tamil Nadu. Also swimming very fast is West Bengal, who are closing in on Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. This promises to be yet another pot boiler. Absolute edge of the seat excitement as the girls battle for glory in the 4x100 bifin relay for girls junior E category. It's still Karnataka from Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. West Bengal is now even Stevens with Karnataka. Watch West Bengal from lane number 3, swimming extremely fast. So is Karnataka. It's West Bengal, Karnataka and then Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra is 4th, not far behind. This is the third leg. At the halfway stage, you had Bengal take pole position, followed by Karnataka. Will the lead change hand once again? Let's wait and watch. Clerks of the course, please do the seeding for the next relay. Don't wait for this event to get over. It's now West Bengal who surged ahead after that splendid second leg. They are a clear 2 body lengths ahead of Karnataka. Tamil Nadu is battling it out for Maharashtra for the 3rd position. As the anchor leg swimmer takes off, Maharashtra have a task cut out. She'll have to chase down the Tamil Nadu swimmer. If they want a bronze, the Maharashtra swimmer is swimming extremely fast from the inside lane 2, but in the lead. Comfortably, the race is not over, but it's West Bengal who still lead Karnataka, who are chasing them with all their might. The lead is more than 5 meters, I think, now. Tamil Nadu still retaining the 3rd position ahead of Maharashtra, who are chasing them down. But for the gold medal, it is West Bengal who have surged ahead and will be comfortable victors by nearly 10 meters. Get your hands together for West Bengal, showcasing their great depth and immense talent. Karnataka hosts take the silver medal and Tamil Nadu will very soon take the bronze medal. Okay, the boys are here. Ashish, give me the lineup for this event. The next event will be the 4x100 meter bifins for boys junior group D.